The same I just dey look you since yesterday. To God. The same I just dey look you since yesterday. Imagine one man just say since he get married, he dey have financial problem. Maybe na him wife be the cause. I just dey look am since yesterday because himself did not understand what marriage is all about. He did not ask himself some questions. Brother, your wife is not the cause of your problem. I will tell you the cause of your problem. Please, since you got married, did you drop your past? Yes. Are you still hanging out 12 p.m., 9 p.m. at the bar with your friends? That is problem number one. Because you cannot go and marry a woman. Bring the woman inside your home. She forfeits a lot of things she is doing. She forfeits friends, leave family. Come and join you. You abandon her in the house lonely and be at the beer parlor in the night. She is not happy. And when she starts complaining, you will tag her a controlling wife. And immediately you start seeing your wife as a woman that wants to control you, as a woman that wants to tell you what you will do, as a woman that wants to do this, that, do that. My brother, your problem has started because you are no longer seeing her with the lovely eye you used to see her. That is number one. Secondly, anything your wife do or you get a misunderstanding with your wife, you carry your wife to the same people, bachelors, discussing your marriage with them. What do you think that they will advise you? What do you think they will advise you? Ask yourself that question. The marriage have started cracking. And the only thing you refuse to understand is that there is difference between relationship and the marriage. You may be in a relationship, sleeping with different girls, thinking that you are prospering. You are giving them the little one you want to give them. It is not your responsibility to take care of them. Whenever you want to hang out with them, you have already planned it. It may not affect you, but your wife is a sole responsibility of yours. You have added a permanent burden to your salary. So a lot of things needed to be reshaped. She is not the problem. You are the one that is not reshaping things in the way it's supposed to be. Okay? You never tell your wife your income. You never tell your wife how you manage, how you succeed, what is coming in inside the house as a capital, as an interest. You push your hand up. She became expensive. She buy whatever she want to buy, whether she want to use it or she don't want to use it. That is our nature. There is no woman you go into her cupboard, you will not see several shoes. She is not even wearing some. And if she see another one, she will still buy. There is no woman you will go into her wardrobe, you will not see a lot of clothes. Beautiful ones. If she see another one, she will still buy. That is our nature. So when you tell us how much that is coming in, at least approximately, we did not tell you, say, tell us 1 million that is coming in. No. Tell us that it is not as if it is big, but we can manage this. We will adjust. We will cut our coat according to the resources that is coming at home. That is a woman. But when you did not tell us, we spend more than you budgeted. Another one again is lies. You lie a lot. And when the woman understands that you lie a lot, it pains her much. Do you think that you are now working with your own destiny? No. When you get married to a wife, it's no longer one destiny. it is two destiny that attached to be one. If one is not happy, it affects the other one. So the two need to be happy to progress. Imagine you doesn't communicate with your wife. You doesn't tell your wife things. From morning to night, you doesn't even call her on phone. Yeah, she may be working, you may be working fine and good, but you doesn't communicate. Instead, when you are progressing or when you are having problem, you will meet your men, them, discuss with them, carry your problem, your secret, your progress, give them. The one that have good communication with their wife will still discuss about you on top of their bed or in their parlor when they are watching films. If their wife is close to your wife, she will still relate the same thing to your wife. How would you feel if you are that woman? You are hearing secrets of your husband from another woman's mouth. She will never be happy. She is typically a sad woman, and it is affecting the destiny of the family. I will tell you another one. You dated a girl before getting married. You left the girl, married your wife. Whether you promised the girl marriage, you did not promise the girl marriage, you're supposed to quit the relationship because it is your past. But when you did not quit the relationship, you are digging your grave. You are dragging yourself down physically, spiritually, because the girl you are dating, she is just smiling, she is not happy. She is after collecting your money because she knows that there is no marriage in it again. And inside her, you are sleeping with the devil. You are sleeping with Jezebel herself, because she will be thinking, so I am good to sleep with, but I'm not good in marriage. Let's see how far you will go. I will never allow you to have peace in that home. Inside her, she will do everything to make you happy. She will give you that sex. She will cook for you. She will do what she is doing is destroying your home. She is not doing it intentionally. Any day you quit your home to come and marry her, she will chase you out. She will categorically tell you that you did not see me before you go there. Continue where you did. Before then, she have already destroyed your financial. Lastly, anywhere you want to correct your wife, correct her politely. And don't tell somebody, don't do this, while you are not doing the same. Before you tell somebody, remove what is in your eyes. Your wife is not the cause of your problem. Sit down and ask yourself these questions. Have I finished with my past? Am I concentrating in my future? Am I concentrating in my present? This is where you will get your answer. I'm telling you, those men you see, maybe the occultic ones, the one that you talk to, the ritualists, that are making their money, they're flying everywhere without their wife. My dear, what you see outside is different from what you see inside. If their wife is not in support of whatever they're doing, it doesn't work as they plan. Because you will be breaking egg as a man, breaking coconut as a ritualist. Your wife will be pouring anointing. Your wife will be pouring salt. Is it not two captain fighting? And do you think who will win? God will win, because your wife is with God. But when you put your wife into whatever you're doing, the two destinies are happy. The two destinies are progressing. Stop dragging your own destiny. It will not work. Place your wife's destiny with your own together, because they are not meant to work together. There is a lot of things you will not even suffer. It will come. There is a lot of things you will not even imagine. They will come. because there is happiness. The prayers are flowing. A woman pray. A cry of a woman is prayer. A woman cook is prayer. The woman sleeping with you is prayer. And when all those prayers turn to curse, where you want wrong go? Where you want wrong go? We know how to pretend. We might open it for you, but inside our mind, everything about you is gradually finishing. Please, ask yourself question. If you are still dealing with your past, make a U-turn. It will help. Make a U-turn. It will help. Relate with your wife. She is the only one that will stand with you against all odds. Those friends cannot stand with you.